Hey there! In this video tutorial we will learn how to make use of the display the sum of the quiz points shortcode. The name itself gives a clear explanation of the purpose of this shortcode. By inserting the shortcode on the front end, you can receive the sum of the quiz points. All we need to do is to replace your quiz ID with a particular quiz ID. Also, please note that you can write more than one ID here. Also, we need to choose the way to sum the points for this part. In case we choose the all mode, the system will display the sum of all the user's points. In case we choose the best mode, the system will display the sum of all the maximum points of the user. In order to display the shortcode on the front end, we just need to copy the shortcode, then add a new post, like this. Add a new one, and here we need to insert the shortcode. Also, we give a name to our post like this. Also, we need to change your quiz ID with the corresponding quiz IDs. Let it be 2, for example 11 and 56. Also, we can choose all for the mode part, and we can publish our post. So here on the front end we can see the number. The number shows the sum of all users' points of the quizzes for the IDs 11 and 56. That's all for the display the sum of the quiz points shortcode. See you in the next video tutorial.